What's up, YouTube? I'm Matthew, and if you landed here, you're about to watch hashtag Matthew Shaves. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. I'm already checking that red light. It's on. Well, as you know, we are approaching the end of the shaving advent calendar. I gotta bend down and pick this dude up. Here we go. We're on the 10th day. I know a couple of these were the ones that were semi-bustedly open, but I have not opened them. So we're gonna get on into day 10. Uh-oh. That's not good. Rip the top part of it. That's a stiff one. Uh-oh. Oh, mercy. I can't even tell you. I'm not. Yule Ham. Brian, I've seen you talk about this a lot, and I just don't know if I can shave with this. Definitely smells like a honey baked ham. Let's read the little thing together. Yule Ham, originally released 2016. Scent profile, baked holiday Yule ham. Really? There's a whole lot of stuff here. Some people like it a lot. I cannot claim to understand this allure, but people want it. The bottom note. Did you see it? Should I say it? You're welcome, psycho. Whew, I'm gonna have to go get this stuff lathered up, and I'll be right back. I'm hesitant on this. I have it whipped up in the Captain's Choice copper bowl, and it made for a fine lather. I'm using this awesome Trotter's handcraft brush, and there's this nice kind of golden and blue and metallic flake in it. I guess let's get lathered up here. Oh, look at that. Oh, mercy. When I got this advent calendar in, my dog was just whiffing and sniffing, and she was happy as all get out. And I wondered what she could smell in that box. And now I think I know. We have 2 days left worth of the shaving the advent calendar. I'm starting to wonder what is going to be on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve. I have no clue, but I guarantee you I'll be surprised. I'm going to be using the, I'm just taken back by this honey ham. I'm going to be using this Alpha Razor and, what was this called? The Outlaw. And this is the copper one. I have the blade already loaded in it because if you remember some of my past videos, the blade alignment has a lot of tolerance in it, so you have to fiddle with it to get it to go. I'm going to warm it up. I've got a bowl full of hot water here. Might as well be ham juice and pineapples, but I mean, if you're brave to shave with this, I don't know. I mean, it's not a bad scent. It's just not something I want to smell like all day. And Douglas, you nailed it. You nailed it on this scent. Can you hear the feedback on this razor? There's not really a lot of blade overhang, but I believe I know why. It has so much sound to it. And let's see, let me rinse the razor off and see if you can see. Right here, see that little tab just on the other side of this, like right in here? Well, that blade is not being clamped down very far, so there's a lot of kind of overhang on that top cap, so that blade, I believe, can do a little bit of fluctuation. This razor is several years old now, maybe 3 to 4, so the design on this may have changed. I do love the copper look. Originally, I had polished this, and so it looked near gold. It looked really nice. I'm gonna have to take a drink of water, guys. Pardon me. All right, let's get back into this shave. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And like I said, the scent on this is pretty nice. And I think the splash is going to be even stronger than this. When Brian opens up his calendar, he's going to be all happy and giddy. Let me know in the comments below, would you enjoy the scent of Yule ham? I feel like today, I think it's just this razor, but it feels like I had a lot more growth on my face. This razor is pretty efficient. It's got a little bit of blade feel in it. And I think I might have forgot to say, I have the Gillette silver blue blade in here. Nice. Let me get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. Ooh. Let me make sure the butter, the pineapple, cloves, and honey ham is all, all mixed up. Ooh. Should this be a Christmas scent or a Thanksgiving scent? That is the question. Use a little bit of star jelly here. Very nice. Close shave. Almost like shaved ham. I can't help myself. All right, well, I'm going to put a little picture right here of the items I used today, and I will see you for tomorrow's shave. I'm sure my dog's going to want to lick my face.